tired of your usual office routine? Imagine swapping your daily commute for a stroll along a sunlit beach or working with a view of ancient temples. For millions, this dream is now reality thanks to the rise of digital nomadism. But what actually makes a destination ideal for remote workers, and where are the top hotspots? Let's explore the world's most popular digital nomad destinations and what sets them apart. What makes a great digital nomad destination? It's not just about beautiful scenery, though that helps. The best digital nomad locations combine affordable living, fast and reliable internet, a strong community of like-minded people, and visa policies that welcome remote workers. Without these essentials, even the prettiest place can quickly lose its appeal. Let's look at the destinations that get this balance just right. Bali, Indonesia. Bali is a legend in the digital nomad world. Known as the island of the gods, it attracts creatives, entrepreneurs, and wellness enthusiasts from around the globe. Start your day with yoga overlooking rice terraces, then work from a bustling co-working space in Canggu or Ubin. The cost of living is low, internet access is strong, and there's a thriving community with plenty of networking and wellness events. Bali offers the work-life balance many remote workers seek. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon has rapidly become a European favorite for digital nomads. The city offers stunning architecture, rich history, delicious food, and a relatively affordable lifestyle compared to other Western European capitals. Lisbon's tech scene is booming, with excellent co-working spaces and a growing remote work community. Digital nomad visas make it easier for non-EU citizens to stay long-term, and the city's blend of old-world charm and modern energy is irresistible. Medellin, Colombia. Once known for its troubled past, Medellin is now a hub of innovation and culture. Nicknamed the City of Eternal Spring for its pleasant climate, Medellin boasts natural beauty, a lively nightlife, and a warm, welcoming local population. The cost of living is low, internet is fast, and co-working spaces are plentiful. The city's international community is vibrant, making it easy to connect and collaborate. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai is the original digital nomad hotspot. This northern Thai city is famous for its affordability, delicious street food, ancient temples, and relaxed atmosphere. While internet speeds may not always match newer hubs, the city's low costs, abundance of co-working spaces, and established community make it a top choice for budget-conscious nomads seeking an immersive cultural experience. Mexico City, Mexico. Mexico City is a cultural powerhouse and a rising star among digital nomads. The city offers world-class museums, incredible food, a thriving art scene, and a diverse population. While not as cheap as some Asian destinations, the cost of living is still lower than most Western cities. With excellent internet infrastructure and countless cafes and co-working spaces, Mexico City blends urban sophistication with adventure and cultural immersion. How to choose your ideal destination? Selecting the right place depends on your priorities. Consider visa requirements. Some countries offer specific digital nomad visas, while others require tourist visas. Research the true cost of living, including rent, food, and transportation. Time zones matter if you need to coordinate with teams abroad. Safety and the strength of the local digital nomad community are also crucial factors. Emerging destinations and future trends. The digital nomad landscape is always evolving. Keep an eye on emerging hotspots like Buenos Aires, Cape Town, and cities in Eastern Europe or Central America. More governments are introducing favorable visa policies and improving infrastructure to attract remote workers. The future of remote work is bright, with more options than ever. From Bali's peaceful retreats to Mexico City's urban buzz, today's top digital nomad destinations offer diverse experiences, cultures, and opportunities. What ties them together is the freedom to live and work on your own terms, without sacrificing your career. Digital nomadism isn't just about escaping, it's about embracing a new way of living and thriving. Which destination speaks to you? Share your thoughts and dreams, and stay tuned for more guides on digital nomad visas, packing essentials, and hidden gems for remote workers. Your adventure starts now.